Hello family, here we are today. We are making smoked pork ribs. We have our ingredient here. You can see the sour veg. We have a tomato, garlic, ginger, chili, onion, our stockade, chicken spice and black pepper, bay leaves. This is our smoked pork ribs. As you can see here, it's ready. It means I cut it first and I boiled, because when it comes, it always comes so salty. They put a lot of salt for them to smoke it. So I cut it and I boil it for 5 minutes to take the salt out. Here I clean it already. I took out of the water, and in the meantime, all our sauce, as you can see, I'm frying the sauce. I'm making the sauce with tomato, everything I saw you before. As you can see, it's there. It's almost ready. You fry it until it's ready. It's well cooked. As you can see, it's ready. Now I will take the sour veg. I mix it in the sauce. I will fry it. You turn. You mix it well. You just add small water for it to mix with the tomato. You turn it well. Now you will take your pork ribs, as you can see, is well mixed. You start now mixing with the pork. You take the smoked pork ribs, you put inside the pot. You mix with the sauce, the tomato sauce, with the sour veg, as you can see. You mix it, just add some more water. You mix together. You cover the pot for 5 minutes, and then you can see I put our chili on top. Now you can see that it mix. Now you add a quantity of water for the soup. In this stage, you can test if there's the salt. If there's no salt, you can add a bit of salt depending on how you like your food to be. You cover the pot. After a time, you can check. You can see the water is going down. Our food is ready. Like the video, subscribe to our channel.